My name is Christine McKee. I live in Freehold, New Jersey. The procedure that I had done was a total right hip replacement by Dr. Zangrilli. I was walking like Charlie Chaplin, and it was almost like the older I got, like I was going down. And then when I met Dr. Zangrilli, they was treating me for knee pain. That's what I had, my chief complaint was my knee. My knee, my knee, my knee. It was my right knee. So going forward, we did a x-ray of the hip and found out that I had no hip. So we had to do a total hip replacement. And Dr. Zangrilli honestly gave me my life back. The day of the surgery, I was very, of course, nervous because this is my very first major surgery I had done. Dr. Zangrilli came and tapped my hand and said, everything's gonna be okay. You ready for this now, right? And the last thing I remember is anesthesia saying, we're gonna give us some medicine. That was it. Then I woke up in my room. How did I feel when I woke up? A little sore, because let's face it, it's not every day you get titanium put in your hip. But it was to be expected. I said, is it possible that I have grown? And we laughed. He says, no, maybe because your body's now straight and lined and you feel taller and look taller. The staff that I had at Monmouth Medical Orthopedic floor and the physical therapist and my home physical therapist were all phenomenal. It's been wonderful to be able to walk. This is the first time that I went to the beach one night with my girlfriend, and I was able to walk on the beach with no pain whatsoever. And I can't say thank you enough to Dr. Zangrilli and his staff. It was a godsend that I was introduced to this group, and I'm really thankful that I had the opportunity and chance to meet Dr. Zangrilli and work with him. He's a phenomenal man. He really is.